This is the H6 Ultra, the flagship over-ear ANC headphones from QCY. Yes, QCY did send me these headphones for review, but all of my opinions are my own. And these are more than expected at $100. Actually, they're a little less than $100. However, we're gonna go over a whole bunch of things about these headphones. And later, I'm gonna share with you some things that I think you wanna know that isn't necessarily listed or talked about with these headphones. Pure silence ANC. You have 10 mic arrays and then you have 8 mic hybrid ANC. What does all that mean? I'm gonna let y'all hear it, but I will say this before y'all hear it. The ANC here, they nailed it, especially for the $100 price range. Check it out. And if you found that ANC test helpful, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. I think a lot of people are going to be pleased with the ANC here, especially for the price. And they give you 5 different ANC modes, so whether you're commuting indoors or battling wind, they got a setting for you. For those of you who are familiar with QCY headphones, you're probably thinking, I have a good idea of what these headphones sound like. But let me slow you down real quick. These are dual driver headphones. So you have your 40mm drivers plus 13mm drivers. And yes, you have high-res audio, whether it's wireless or wired, with LDAC. Now, with all that being said, the sound on these particular headphones are very balanced. That's the word I'm gonna use. So everything is just a lot cleaner and fuller here. And it does have spatial audio for those of you who are waiting for me to say that. However, the spatial audio, you have different modes. You have spatial audio, and then you have head tracking spatial audio. That gets a little trippy for me. You turn your head, all the music's over here. You turn it over here, it's all over here. I don't really like to use spatial audio, but if you're into that, that's gonna be a whole experience for you. But the sound quality here is good.
You love me, cause I'm at the top. I take a spot, you know that's just how we rock. Going to the cup, aiming for your top. I'm a Euro step in traffic, and my flick is automatic. And I'm mad, and why would you play with me? And what's up, yeah, what's happening? And then why they keep on chatting? Blasting, why would you play with me? Never stop, they just wanna watch. You love me, cause I'm at the top. I take a spot, you know that's just how we rock.
Bass heads, I'm talking directly to y'all here. I do believe you guys will need to go into the custom EQ. It's a 10-band EQ, and definitely work your magic here to bring out the life of that bass. The bass is decent, but I definitely think for you guys, you want to go in there and tune some things up. For everybody else, they have some regular presets, default presets you can use, and those work pretty well. But straight out the box, you're gonna get some clean highs, some nice mids, and the lows will be there. These are their flagship headphones. And with the battery life, they're like, we're not gonna skimp out on that. 102 hours with the ANC off of playtime. That's just wild. Now, most of us are gonna be using the ANC. So that's at about 66 hours with the ANC on. Now keep in mind, with all of these numbers that I'm throwing at you, it's also going to be based on how loud your volume is, if the bass is up real high. So keep that in mind. So the numbers may vary depending on how loud you're listening to your music. Also, they do have a safety for your hearing in the app. Just in case you like to listen to your music really loud, they have a safety feature. But it does offer fast charging. So when you do finally drain your battery down, 10 minutes, fam, is gonna give you 7 hours of playtime. They didn't cut no corners here. That's nice. The H6 Ultra comes in 3 colors for you to choose from: white, black, and orange. And it has 6 microphones to help you make clear calls. Let's listen to those microphones versus my phone's microphones.
Her purse was filled with useless trash.
Her purse was filled with useless trash. The coat reared and through the tall rider. The coat reared and through the tall rider. Let's talk portability and comfort. You're going to be wearing these around. You want them to be light, 260 grams. And when you're ready to pack them up, they fold up, but when they fold up, they're 50% smaller. That's half the size, 50%. Keep in mind that the actual adjustment headband is metal. That's right, at this price range, it is metal. And the ear cups are able to rotate. On the left ear cup, you're gonna get your 3.5 audio, USB-C, and ANC button. On the right ear cup, you're gonna get your power button, your volume rocker, and your play pause button. In the box, you're gonna get the headphones, you're gonna get a 3.5 audio cable, USB-C for charging, and the user manual. Now earlier I did say I would have some things I would like to tell you about these headphones that you might wanna know. For example, these headphones are comfortable. However, for my usage, I have to extend them all the way to the max to wear them. So with my hat or without my hat, I have to extend them all the way to the max. So if you have a bigger head like me, just be prepared to extend them all the way so this way they will fit on your head. So on the inside of the ear cups, you're gonna notice it's very soft on the inside. The reasoning for that is because they have a dual cushion. So check it out, dual cushion in there. So where your ears go, it's definitely gonna be comfortable because they have 2 layers of cushioning, which is very nice. The ANC that I talked about earlier, here's something you definitely want to know. The ANC works in wired mode and wireless mode. Now, they don't give you this cable I'm about to tell you about. It's a USB-C to C. If you use one of those cables with these headphones, it will work with your PC and it will give you high-res audio options. And yes, it's gonna work with your phone as well. Now, when you do this with your phone, you will have the same functionality as Bluetooth as far as controlling the volume and all that type of stuff. When you use just wired mode, the cable that they give you, you will not have control of the volume from the headphones, only with Bluetooth. So definitely something you might want to take heed when you're using these. With the wired mode, if you use the USB-C to C, you're definitely going to get more options available to you. And last but not least, the H6 Ultra. It says this has multi-point connection up to 3 devices. 3 devices, fam. Most people normally connect up to 2 devices. This allows you 3. That is absolutely fantastic. Like I said earlier, more than expected at $100. And these headphones retail for $94.99. So if you're interested in picking up these headphones, link in the description below. Y'all gotta let me know what y'all think of their Flagship H6 Ultra headphones. Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, I'm Dave Banter. We out.